There's a roll off right there. $33.55. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna put the truck. When I record the trucks, I just put the trucks on YouTube. Okay. This is the driver here. Yeah. Okay. This side here? Oh yeah, it's the inside. Okay. Inside a roll-off truck. This is what the inside looks like. Yeah, there's an air horn right there. Yeah. That's the steering wheel. Where do you guys start the truck?
Key. I got the key over there, but I got the key in my pocket.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's the inside of a roll-off. Oh yeah. And yeah. Where's the keyhole at? Oh, right here?
Yeah, turn it around.
Oh, this here?
That's it.
Oh, so that's where you start the truck?
That's where we started.
Alright.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Is that alright?
Yeah.
Did you get that where you wanted?
Yeah, I like to record the trucks and I post them on YouTube.
I'll do the tire. Watch this.
Here. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. Let me inside the truck. Oh yeah. I don't see the oil. I know all about these roll-offs. Like a few years ago, my neighbor was remodeling his house and they contract a roll-off to come and drop off this bin. Yeah.
Did you get everything?
Yeah.
Okay. What's
Yeah.
your name?
Angel.
My name's Louis.
Do you know the other guy's name from the other roll-off?
That's his name is his name's Louis.
Louis? Oh, two?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Alright?
Alright.
Have a good day.
You too.
Is that going to be on YouTube?
Yeah. You let me inside the truck.